But I really wanted to show you how I wrap my bouquets. So right now I am just going to be prepping them. So I have some 18 by 18 inch squares that I use with a 30-pound craft paper. And then I will make 2 peaks in the middle. Now, this time when I was doing it, I probably like to space those peaks out maybe a smidge bit more, but they're fine just how they are. I have a stamp that I purchased off of Etsy that has my logo on it. So I will put it on right in the middle between those 2 peaks. And then I'm going to take scissors, or I had only my snips on hand, and I will cut up probably about 3 or 4 inches, I would say, and make a slit. Flip it around, and then you're going to peel those corners inwards, so then that way you can wrap your bouquet in the middle. So I am just going to do this a few times. I was hoping to have at least 5 wrapped bouquets this week, but I actually did end up making a lot more. So I'm just going to continue this process so you can see, and then I will catch back up with you once we are bringing the flowers up. Here is one of my wrapped bouquets, and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to take my rubber band and I tie it around 3 times, and then I will just scooch it up so that way it'll just keep everything held nicely for myself to wrap it. So I'm going to place it down, and wherever those peaks are, that is what is going to show. So I try and put my nice focal flower there. I have been just using Scotch magic tape. So I'll get a little piece, and then I will fold these 2 back ends. Then I'll fold the 2 side ends inward and try and lay it where I would like. And so that way it's still nice and tight at the bottom by the stem. So that way it's not folding or sliding down. And then I will put a piece of tape. And as you can see, my logo is going to be nice and centered. So you can still see the dahlia popping out. And then what I will also do is I have a stapler, and I'm going to just staple right on the top. And it also is great because it creates this little pocket where I will put my flower food in so it won't get lost in the wrap bouquet. And then I just like to tie it off with a little bit of twine. I had a ton left over from, I couldn't even tell you what craft. And I just think it adds a nice little touch, so that way it'll help also keep the wrapped paper from sliding down as well. All right, and here is how I wrap my bouquets. I hope that helps you out if you're trying to do the same. If you would like to stay updated with all things roadside flower stand, please make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will see you all next time. Happy gardening. Bye.